I want to quickly talk to you about Grow Credit, and we want to have a review into this conversation. And the question is this the best starter credit card? Because they actually they talk about a lot of things, and the question is, are they trying to razzle dazzle folks, or are they for real? So let's have a conversation about that. So here's our overview I really want you to pay attention to. So when you think about Grow Credit, I want you to think about a MasterCard that helps you actually build credit through a digital subscription sort of program. So you basically are adding a digital subscription to the card, and Grow Credit will actually report a 204 line of credit to the three major credit bureaus each month for the free and secured plan. So they have a secured plan and they have a free plan, and no interest or fees are charged to the account. So this is really cool. And as a user, you can pay a fee for a higher credit limit or a more premium subscription. Okay, but if you don't pay anything, if you have the free plan, you are actually getting a credit limit of $204. And in terms of monthly fee, you are paying anywhere from $0 to $8 a month. But there are no interest. Okay, there is 0% interest. This is fantastic. So Grow Credit, when you close your eyes, if anybody asks you the question, what is Grow Credit? It is basically a starter credit card that is designed to help people with poor or limited credit history quickly gain a foothold in the credit world. So in other words, they give you a chance to enter the FICO, the beautiful and marvelous world of credit scores and FICO scores. So to sign up for the credit card, you must have at least one major subscription. So we're speaking about Netflix, we're speaking about Hulu, we're speaking about Peacock, we're speaking about Mint Mobile, like whatever it is. Okay, you are required to pay for that subscription using the Grow credit card. So what happens here is that Grow is actually asking you to transfer money to their account, or to have to make money available for them to actually tap into, and in return they will issue you a Grow Credit MasterCard, and you will use that credit card to actually pay your subscription. This is how it works. Okay, so basically everything goes through monthly subscriptions. So if you don't have monthly subscriptions right now, you're not going to love Grow Credit. You got to have a major subscription. It has to be a major digital subscription. Okay, I'm not talking about your local gas bill or your local electricity bill. No, this will not work. It has to be something national, and it has to be digital. And if you have more questions, you can contact Grow at 1-888-244-5886. They're available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. through 5 p.m. Eastern. I want to talk to you about the pros and cons of this program, so you have a better idea what we're talking about. See, the whole thing here is that when you think about Grow, you have to think about a constellation of pros and a few cons. Let's first go through the pros here. So you have instant access to a $204 line of credit. There are no interest or fees, and you are able to build credit with a subscription you are already buying anyway, right? I mean, you know, if you love Netflix, if you're on Netflix, you are going to pay your Netflix bill regardless of you having a Grow Credit or no Grow Credit. I mean, this is just what it is. And the cool thing is that Grow Credit will report your transactional activities to all the three credit bureaus. This is really important. But I want you to remember that Grow Credit is not an actual MasterCard. It's a virtual card. So, and this card is issued by an institution called Sutton Bank. And this is kind of cool. And so it is a virtual card. Do not think you are going to get a physical card. No. And the cool thing is that everything is done. You have to link your account, or you have to link your bank account. There is a service called Plod that will actually help you. Plod or Plate, I think it's Plod. And they'll actually, so once you link your bank account to that service, Grow will have access to your account, not access to your account like taking money out of your account, but it will know exactly what's happening in your account in terms of inflows and outflows of cash. By the way, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Grow Credit MasterCard. We're trying to tell you exactly what kind of programs and features you can actually access if you go through Grow. And let me talk about the cons real fast. So you must pay for larger lines of credit. And so if you want, let's say, if you want anything above $204, you must have to pay you must pay at least $7 to $10 a month. Okay, and it could take a long time to build a strong credit score. I mean, people start thinking that, people think, well, and this is a mistake, by the way. People think you can build credit within 30 days by boosting your credit score by 100 points. I mean, we've seen cases where people are telling, like, there are some YouTubers, whatever that name means. There are YouTubers who are telling folks, hey, listen, you can build your credit, you can boost your credit by 100 points in 30 days. This is a lie. It's a big ass lie. Do not listen to that. People telling you it takes time, but you'll get there. You'll definitely get there. It's totally possible, but it does take time. I just want you to keep in your mind that it takes time. It will happen in 3 months. It will happen in 100 days. It will happen in 6 months. That's more possible. That's more realistic than saying you are going to raise your credit score by 100 points in 30 days. Let me give you the details you need to have when we talk about the Grow Credit MasterCard. It's important to understand that this card is constantly shifting the priorities, but the main priority remains the same, which is helping you grow your credit score, improve your credit score real fast by helping you pay for it. Digital subscriptions, you are already paying for it anyway, right? So if you think about it, Grow is just actually offering a service whereby the app is helping you report like transform as trade lines, transactions that you do anyway, routinely. So no credit check is ever required. No credit check. They're not going to check your credit, so you don't have to worry about a hard pull. You don't have to worry about your credit score going down. Not a problem, not a possibility. But it's important to understand that you have to link a bank account. Which means what? If you have no bank account, you're not going to qualify for the Grow Credit MasterCard. You need to have a bank account. So if you have, let's say you have a check system problem, you are like you are not like whatever it is. If you don't have a bank account right now, you can't qualify. So you have, because Grow uses a technology that I said before, Plod, to sort of link your bank account to their system, and you can build credit with qualifying bills or subscriptions. Okay, this is important to remember. But Grow does have a tiered plan. So the free membership, that's basically like they actually gave you like a $17 monthly spending limit on subscriptions like Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, and Pandora, to name a few. Can you imagine that? $17. This is nothing. But this is the free. This is the free. I mean, that's how they get you anyway. So if you want the free one, you can only, like, realistically, you can only get one subscription. Now, if you want to go to the secured membership, which costs like $2.99, now then you can actually they can actually give you more. So you have more limits. And you also have, so this is where you basically have, you can start seeing results for real. Okay. And then you have the Grow membership, which costs about $4.99 per month. So this offers a $50 monthly spending limit and access to premium subscriptions that include payments at Verizon Wireless, AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, and Coursera. And you also have they also have another program, what they call, like, I mean, it really depends, but they have what they call the Accelerate membership, which basically will cost you about $9.99 per month. So here you are able to spend $150 in monthly spending towards the same premium subscription. So this is kind of cool. So here you have more flexibility. Here you have the ability to change things a lot better. So we really love that a lot. Remember, when we think about the Grow Credit MasterCard, is that, again, boss, this is an in-depth review of the Grow Credit MasterCard. And one thing you need to remember is that it has traditionally a low spending limit. I mean, this is just Grow trying to really cover their ass, trying to limit risks here. So they are giving you like, because when you really think about it, the free membership plan gives you a $17 per month, but your limit on the card is a $204. But if you want a higher limit, you're going to have to pay for it. I mean, I just gave you the numbers, I give you the numbers through the Accelerate, the Grow, the Secured, and the Build membership plan. So you really have an idea of what really matters for you here. And it's a really also quite essential to keep in mind that you cannot carry a balance on this Grow Credit MasterCard. So this is why there is no APR or fees that are associated with a card. Because it basically works like, it functions like a debit card, a secured credit card. So Grow actually covers all the elements that could be detrimental to its business model. And what we love here is that you are able, again, it's a win-win for you and Grow, because it's a win. It's a win for you because you don't have any kind of overdraft, whatever, and or you can't just miss a payments. And for Grow, it's also great because they don't have to worry about default risk. Okay. And Grow also helps you in the sense that it reports your transactional activity to all three credit bureaus. So you are able to constantly move your credit score up. You are constantly to see whether or not you could qualify for better credit products. And the thing about Grow here is that you only want to use this card for, let's say, maximum 12 months. In our analysis, for all intents and purposes, it's just a lot better to use the card for 12 months maximum, so that you can raise your credit score. And once you raise your credit score, your ass should be out of there. Okay, don't actually keep the service anymore, because you have access to better products, better credit cards. You have access to better credit products to actually move up the ladder in terms of FICO, and be there and stay there. So what is the value added here? Because see, the thing is that the Grow Credit MasterCard is a great card. Yes, I've made that point before, but it's important to say, okay, you have other players in the industry. You have Stellify, you have Extra, you have Sable One. You have so many credit builder apps. So what is the interesting thing for Grow here? Now, Grow Credit offers a 0% interest and no fee MasterCard. Okay, and you are able to qualify real fast, because when you think about it, there is no credit check. So again, you don't have to worry about any problem in terms of getting a hard pull or whatever, and it's very easy to qualify for. So if you are a legal U.S. resident age 18 or older, you can qualify for a Grow Credit MasterCard. The only additional qualifications include having a bank account and a subscription to a digital service. Again, it has to be a digital service. Okay, the payment for the digital service must be transferred to the new Grow credit card. And by the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about the Grow Credit MasterCard. This is a review of the card, and I want to show you whether or not this card is worth it. And I want to show you how the card works in the first place. So the thing is that you have to understand the value added here is that subscriptions are automatically paid via Grow. So basically, when your, let's say, your Hulu or your Netflix statement shows up, they will see that you are paying for the fee. You're paying for, not for the fee, you're paying for the service using a Grow Credit MasterCard. And so if you really think about it that way, because Grow has actually put in place a system whereby they're taking money right away from your account, it's very difficult to run up credit card bills. Because, as a Grow Credit user, you don't have any temptation to run up huge credit card bills, because Grow credit card is locked down. As a user, you can only use it to pay for one subscription, or the number allowed by the plan that you have, the Accelerate, the Grow, whatever plan you have, okay? And that subscription is paid up each month. So Grow Credit helps in that way. People with poor credit habits build better credit routine. So this is kind of cool. And so in addition to that, don't forget that the card actually reports to all three credit bureaus. So you are basically going to raise your credit real fast. Now, when we talk about the Grow credit cards, the MasterCard, what are the costs associated with this card? Let's have a conversation about that. So, are there any fees? Yes, there are fees. So, Grow Credit's core product is free. So, as a user, you will not pay interest or fees for Grow Credit's core product. So, with this product, you are basically, but this product, you're only reporting a $204 annual credit to the credit bureaus. That's annual credit. Think about it. Annual credit, you are getting $204. What does that mean? It means that you are having $17 per month. So if you multiply, let's say you multiply 170, right? 170, like 17 times 10, this is a 170 times 2, you have 34. So you basically are reporting a $204 annual credit to the credit bureaus. That's $17 a month. That's really nothing. Okay. And but now if you want to move up, you go to the Build Secure, you have the Grow membership, and you have the Accelerate membership. Now then they start charging you more, and the fees that go from $2 all the way to $10. And so you basically are having access to a larger credit limits, And so if you have access to a larger credit limits, you can use it for a lot of things. Okay, you use it for what they call premium subscriptions. So we're speaking about Hulu, speaking about Vivo, we're speaking about Disney Plus, and what have you. And but if you want to go if you really are serious about boosting your credit score real fast, we would actually advise you to go with the Accelerate membership. That will cost you like about $7.99 to $10 a month. And here you have an annual credit limit of $1,800 to $2,500, and you have cell phone service can be added as well. But the $1,800 is nothing compared to the Stellify. The Stellify is another credit builder app that gives you a $25,000 credit limit. So here, $1,800 is really nothing. So let's really talk about how Grow compares to other players in the industry. I mean, Grow is is a decent app to kind of help you build credit. Okay, you do have other platforms. You have, as I said, you have Stellify, you have Stable One, you have Credit Card. I mean, you have Credit Builder. So you do have a lot of players in the industry. It really depends on what really works for you. We talk about the sign up, and I'll really talk to you also about the verdict, what we think this card is really worth. So to sign up, things are very simple. You just need to go to the Grow Credit website, and you sign up there, and it's very simple. They're nothing complicated. You put in your first name, last name, and your social. What will happen here is that so once you enter this trifecta, your first name, your phone number, and your social, they'll ask you for your email address, and they'll also ask you to link your bank account, your checking account, to Grow. And this happens through a service called Plot. And what happens here is that once you actually link that, Grow will just make sure that you have the appropriate amount of cash. They'll see your cash inflows and cash outflows, and they'll see exactly whether or not you are good, how to actually manage your account. But one thing I want to say here is that do not worry about Grow Credit's security protocols, because it is a very safe and legit operation. The platform uses encryption and other bank level security protocols to keep user information safe. The company only deducts the monthly cost of your subscription from your bank account. Okay, this is a very safe and legit operation. So because we've heard a lot of people say, well, is Grow Credit safe? Blah 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 blah. It is safe. They do business ethically. We love the fact that we love how they interact with their customers. And they're actually in Santa Monica, by the way. And Santa Monica. So if you're interested in knowing more about them, but you can call them at 1-888-244-5886, 888-244-5886, or you can email them at behappy@growcredit.com. behappy@growcredit.com. Okay, and so is the service really worth it? In the final analysis here, I would say yes. The service is really worth it, especially if you are trying to build credit real fast. As usual, our advice when it comes to credit builder apps is to actually have 2 or 3 or 4. Don't just rely on one, because if you're trying to build credit, think of it as an investment in your future. So you want to really, instead of being timid, being shy, and only have one credit builder app, you want to have 2 or 3 or 4, so that in the end, you are able to accelerate your credit scoring efforts real fast. Okay, but yes, Grow Credit should be definitely part of your arsenal when it comes to credit builder apps. And but don't go with the $17 a month line of credit. Go for the $1,800. Like, spend money on your future. Okay, this is where the juice is really at, based on our analysis. Thank you so much for your analysis, for your attention. Really appreciate it. And in today's conversation, I was just giving you a quick Grow Credit in-depth review. I spoke about I gave you the overview, the pros and cons, the details, the value added, the cost, the rivals, the sign-up process, and the verdict. Thank you. I'll speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.